to this tutorial, and we're using this material to create a very simple one. So this is it straight down, and I'm just going to pick one angle up, right, and I'm just going to knot it like this. Okay, so I knotted like that, and I'm going to stretch out the knotted angle and dip it in, right? I already dip in the knotted part, and it's just for me to just, put it off like this. Okay, awesome. And I'm going to take this part, put it around. I want to make a knot with it, so I'm going to dip this in to knot it. So I'll find a way to secure the excess parts. Now it's like this. Okay, so it's either I go this way, okay, go this way, and pin down, pin this down,
morning's light to evening's glow,
right?
your jealousy
So I'm going to
of
pin
grace,
down with my pin.
confidence blooms.
So we're going to pin down
In
like
every
this.
rap, a story speaks.
Okay,
Beauty
already
by
pinned.
nature, where simplicity shines. Learn to tie with ease and make it divine. For every occasion, be it slow or fast, you'll be ready for all one day, standing proud at last. From morning's light to evening's glow, your jealous speaks of grace, confidence blooms, your style unique. In every rap,